Dear student, here is the video number 5, chapter number 3, subject maths, indices and cube root. In this video, we see practice set 3.3. Practice set 3.3. Question number 1. Find the cube root of the following numbers. First number is 8,000. You have to give a number 8,000 and find out the cube root of this number. First, we take prime factor of this number 8,000. You find the prime factors. See, the prime factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 again into 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, it is 6 times, and then 5 into 5 into 5. Then there are factor 2 is 6 times, then it is thrice, and it is again thrice. It is 5 factor is again thrice. Then we take here 2 into 2 into 2, that means it is 2 cube into again the second group 2 into 2 into 2, again 2 raised to 3, again 5 into 5 into 5, it is 5 raised to 3. See the next step, that means 2 into 2 into 5 raised to 3. Then we get here 20 raised to 3. Therefore, cube root of 8,000 equal to 20. 20 cube is 8,000, that means cube root of 8,000 is 20. Important thing is that we have to factorize this number 8,000 and find the prime factors is important. See the second number 729. Prime factors are 3 into 3 into 3, 6 times into 3 into 3. There are two groups of thrice. Then we write here 3 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 3. That is 3 into 3 raised to 3. That is 9 raised to 3. Therefore 729, that means 9 raised to 3 is 729. Therefore cube root of 729 is 9. See the next number is 343. Factorize this number. Factors are 7 into 7 into 7. That means 7 cube is 343. Therefore cube root of 343, it is equal to 7. Similarly, see the next 512. Factorize this number. Factors are 2 into 2 into 2, 9 times. There are 3 groups. Then we take here 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 3. That means 2 into 2 into 2 raised to 3 equal to 8 raised to 3. Therefore, cube of 8 cube is 512. Therefore, cube root of minus 512 equal to minus 8. Cube of negative number is negative. Then see the next 2744. Then we first find prime factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 and into 7. Then 2 raised to 3. Multiplication of 2 is 3 times, therefore it is 2 raised to 3 and 7 raised to 3. Then we take here 2 into 7 raised to 3, that is 14 raised to 3. Therefore 2744 equal to 14 raised to 3. That means 14 raised to 3 equal to 2744. Cube of 14 is 2744. Therefore cubed root of minus 2744 equal to minus 14. Simplify. Cubed root of 27 upon 125. Simplify this. Cubed root of 27 is the perfect cube. It is cube of 3. Then denominator is, it is cube of 5. 125 is cube of 5. Then we write separate cubed root of 3 raised to 3 upon cubed root of 5 raised to 3. See the step now here. Cubed root of 3 raised to 3. We write 3 raised to 3 and its cubed root. Meaning of this number and this number is same. Therefore 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Numerator is only 3. Similarly, denominator is only 5. Therefore, cubed root of 27 upon 125 equal to 3 upon 5. It is the answer. See the next example. Cubed root of 16 upon 54. Now in this example, 27 is the perfect cube. 125 is also perfect cube. Now see the number. 16 is not perfect cube and 54 is also not perfect cube. Then we simplify this, dividing numerator and denominator by 2. Then cubed root of, we divide this 16 by 2, we get here 8, and dividing 54 by 2, we get 27. Here we write down reason, dividing by 2. Then we get here cubed root of 8 is perfect cube, it is 2 raised to 3, and 27 is again perfect cube, it is 3 raised to 3. Now in previous example we see the numerator, cubed root of 2 raised to 3 and cubed root of 3 raised to 3. We write different separate cubed root. Now the numerator, it is 2 raised to 3 and its cubed root, that means 1 upon 3. Denominator is 3 raised to 3 and its cubed root, that means 1 upon 3. Here 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Again denominator 3 and 3 gets cancelled. It is remaining terms of are 2 upon 3. Therefore answer is cubed root of 16 upon 54 equal to 2 upon 3. Now see the next example. You have to give one cubed root of 729 is 9. Then find value of this number. We write down given number, cubed root of 0.000729. It is the decimal fraction. We write this decimal fraction into rational number, that means 729 upon, here decimal number is after 6 terms 1 2 3 4 5 6, then upon 1 0 0 0 0 0 and 0. It is the rational number. It is in the form of rational number. Then we write here cubed root of 729 upon cubed root of this number 1,000,000. It is 10 lakh. Then you have to give one value of numerator directly, that is cubed root of 729, it is given as 9. Then value of numerator is 9 and value of denominator 10 lakh, cubed root of 10 lakh is 100. That means 9 upon 100, we write it is in decimal form, that means divide 9 by 100, it is 0.09. That means cubed root of 0.000729 equal to 0.09.